history. The birth of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has been commemorated with love. His light has guided countless generations. His compassion has transformed the world. Now immerse yourself in the beautiful remembrance of the best of creation, Sayyiduna Muhammad ﷺ. Join a heartwarming evening of spirituality, knowledge and inspiration as we study Al-Quran and unravel its mysteries with the world-renowned scholar Shaykh Muhammad Saqib Iqbal, Hafidhahullah, alongside a special children's mini Mawlid, which will be taught by qualified female teachers and include a children's soft play area, children's colouring corner, a seerah competition and awards, a tarbiyah, respect for parents workshop, snacks and drinks for children. Reinvigorate yourself through the Kanz Huda 19th Annual Grand Mawlid. 16th of September 2023, 5 p.m. till midnight. Separate seating for sisters. Food will be served between 5 to 7 p.m. Kanz Huda, Adderley Road, Birmingham, B8 1AW. Pre-register now.